In large meeting spaces, everyone deserves to be seen and heard clearly, regardless of where you sit in the room. That's why Poly offers room-based solutions that overcome the physical distance of the room for a more equitable meeting experience. Introducing the Large Room Kit from Poly. The Poly Studio E70's camera optimizes its viewing angles with dual lenses. Showcase everyone in the room with the wide-angle lens, or keep anyone center stage with a distance of up to 25 feet with its medium-angle lens. With speaker framing mode, anyone in the meeting is automatically recognized and brought to the center of the frame for a more intimate and engaging meeting experience. Pair the E70 with a tabletop speakerphone, such as the Poly Trio C60, or utilize a more discreet ceiling microphone with a Teams Room certified digital signal processor. The Studio Large Room Kit from Poly is designed to meet a variety of needs. Learn more about the Poly Studio Large Room Kit by visiting poly.com.